Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Okay, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Happy 2024, y'all. Yes. Y'all, I was in, look, I got paint all over them because I'm getting ready to show y'all something. I was in Dollar General and they had a whole, this is something new. These paints are new at Dollar General. This is acrylic craft paint. You can get it in dark red and you can also get it in dark turquoise. But let me tell y'all something. They have every color in the book. And when I get a Kodak moment, I am going to go to the store and probably purchase every color. These were $1 a piece. Okay, $1 a piece. I'm going to show y'all how I make my stone wash beads, okay? And I'm going to be using some buttons. And these buttons, I don't know if y'all remember this. Don't pay attention to what else is in there, okay? But I purchased these buttons from Walmart some time ago, if y'all can remember, okay? We're going to make some stone wash. Yes, yes. And this right here, yes, these wood bead tubes, yes, Walmart is, I got these from Walmart as well. They still sell these, okay? I'm not sure about this, but I purchased these from Walmart. So if go to walmart.com, see if they have them. They're made by cousins, all right? Y'all, we gonna make, now let me tell y'all what y'all gonna need, okay? Because I'm just gonna show y'all how to create these. You're gonna need some type of wooden beads, wooden. Stone wash looks better on wooden beads, okay? So we're gonna do a few of both colors and it's gonna get a little messy, y'all, so just bear with me. It's going to be a little messy. I'm going to be using my hands and my fingers and all that good stuff. But I also want to say, make sure you have yourself a nice cloth. This has to be dry. Make sure your cloth is dry. You do not want to use a wet cloth. You want it to be dry. All right? So we're going to do a few of these in different colors. All right. So now let's go ahead and get started. So basically what you want to do is I am going to just take my bead and then I'm just going to lather it just like this. Just lather it and I'm going to set it right here and it's only going to set for a few minutes. All right. See if I can get enough to do a few of these at one time. Put that there, another one, and then I'm gonna do another small one. Okay, and see I got enough on my hands. And basically what you wanna do is you just wanna let it's gonna set for just a few minutes. All right, I'm gonna do a button. Do one button. Yeah, y'all, we making stone wash today. All right. So I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to come back and I'm going to do this red. Y'all, so before I can do the red, I got to take care of these blue ones. So basically what you want to do is you just want to take and wipe it. You don't want it to dry all the way. You don't want it to dry all the way. That's one. We're making Stonewash today, y'all. Okay. That's 2. Yeah, you don't want the paint to completely dry. And basically, you want to put the paint on. You want it to set for just a few minutes. And then you want to take the paint off. Okay. So it can have that Stonewash look. Okay. And you don't want to wipe it completely off, but just enough so that it can give you that Stonewash look. And you could probably do this with any paint. Like, I just purchased this from Dollar General because I just wanted to see. I love the color of it. So this is pretty much what my Stonewash is looking like right now. And they have to completely dry so I can really see the real end results. So now I'm going to go ahead and do it in this red. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to put like that. Go in. And then set it down. Yep, y'all, I'm making a mess, but it's all good. Everything is being contained. I'm going to set that right there so that it doesn't get all over my table. Yep. Yep. All right, let it set for a little bit. I'm going to do a few buttons. I'm going to do all of these buttons. And I'm going to put just a little bit. Yep. Just like this, as you can see. So, get this together. I got to rinse that off, which I will. And now I'm going to go ahead and just take and wipe these off. Now, see how that's coming out? Like a Stonewash is coming out really, really nice. And like I said, you don't have to let them set. You don't want them to set. You don't want the paint to, you just want it to stain just a little bit, but not too much. So it can give you that Stonewash look. So that's a button. That's a button. And then what I'm going to do now, y'all, I'm going to let these dry. And I'm going to come back, clean my table off. And then we're going to go ahead. I'm going to show y'all the end results of these beautiful beads that we Stonewash today. How about that? Okay, y'all. So here are the paints again. I had so much fun making and creating these, y'all. Wow. Look at what we have here. Look at these. Look how they came out. And this once again is acrylic craft paint. This is the dark turquoise. These are my Stonewash. See how they came out? Dried. And I did those. And I did buttons. Stonewash. Yes, y'all. Loving it. I kept the back plain because that's what I wanted. And then when I did it in the purple, the dark, this is the dark red. This is what it gave me. Look at this. Yes, y'all. Stonewash. Yes. Loving it. Get creative, y'all. So I am definitely going to take a trip back to Dollar General to purchase more of these colors, because this right here, y'all, is everything. So with that being said, could y'all please take the time to thumbs up these videos for me this year, 2024, y'all. Please thumbs these videos up so that my content can reach the people that it was meant for. And I want to also say thank y'all for joining me, okay? I greatly appreciate each and every one support. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.